Hello there guys, and welcome to our fourth HTML tutorial. Today's tutorial we're gonna go ahead and talk about HTML links, as I mentioned in the previous tutorial. So if you haven't watched my previous tutorials guys, it would be truly appreciated if you go ahead and do that, and so you can actually get caught up to what you missed, and so you can understand today's tutorial, the tutorial you're currently watching. And if you haven't watched my other series of tutorials guys, please do so. It's truly appreciated if you do that, and please subscribe and leave a lot of comments with concerns or suggestions or anything in particular you would like me to basically do, or with any tutorials you have in mind. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel guys, please do so. It's truly appreciated. So once again, let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. We're going to talk about HTML links. Alright, so let's begin by specifying our document type here, which is going to be HTML. Let's open our opening HTML tag, and let's put our closing HTML tag here. Let's do the same thing with our body tag, and let's do the same thing here. So we type body, and let's do the same thing down here and close that. Make sure you don't forget to close it, because you will get an error. It might take you long to figure out why, just because you forgot to put an end tag there to close it. Alright, let me put a heading here, and a heading, and let me close this just so I don't forget later on. And in the heading here I will put tutorial. Let me just put HTML tutorial. HTML tutorial number, that was $ number 4, and let's talk about HTML links here. Alright, now let's go ahead to our today's tutorial. We're going to talk about A here. The A tag here is how we represent links in HTML. So to do that, we open the tag there, we type A, and inside that we're going to type href. So this means reference, and let's set the reference equal to, in our case, let's do HTTP, and let's put the YouTube. So I'm going to put YouTube here. Let's reference youtube.com, and then that's the opening tag, and inside here we can put link. So let's just type this is or just say this link will take you to YouTube, or we can just type, okay, let's just leave it like that, or you can just, let's just make it a little better. I'm just going to type YouTube, and then let's close that, and let's put the closing tag down here, and that's /A. Alright, so this is how we represent links in HTML by tag lowercase a here and href. So this is how we reference a link, and this is the opening tag here. So inside the opening tag here we must have the link we want to reference. And once we close the opening, once we get outside here the opening tag, we type the text that we want to appear there, and then once we click on this text, so once we have a text, then we can close the tag here, and then once we load this page, so we go ahead and save this, and then once we load it and we see this on our browser, this text here will be clickable. So once we click that, it will basically redirect us to the YouTube website. So let's go ahead, go to the location where you saved your HTML file, go to the path, and then go ahead and run that, and let's see what we get here. Alright, so we see here, just like we have in our text, let's just put it on the side here. We have our header size 2 here, we have HTML tutorial number 4, HTML links, and we have our text YouTube. And you see here it's clickable. So if I click to this, what should happen? It should take us to youtube.com. Let's see what happens if we do that. We go to youtube.com. Alright guys, so that was our tutorial on HTML links. Thank you for watching this tutorial guys. If you haven't watched my other series of tutorials, please do so. It truly means a lot. and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that as well. And thank you for watching this tutorial. There'll be a lot more coming up soon, and please leave comments with any suggestions or concerns you have, guys. And don't forget to rate. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching, and there will be more tutorials coming up soon. Thank you again.